In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a versatile and powerful tool for managing projects, data, and collaboration all in one place. Let's explore how you can format it to suit your needs, making your sheets not only more functional but also visually appealing. To begin with, you should select one or more cells, rows, or columns in your sheet. This is crucial because formatting changes can be applied specifically to the areas you want to emphasize or modify. Once you've highlighted the parts you're focusing on, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top of your screen. This toolbar provides a myriad of options to adjust your content's appearance. You can make your text stand out by using bold, italic, or underline options. If you wish to add some color, there are choices for font color and background fill color. These little touches not only help in organizing your data, but also make important items pop out. Additionally, you can control text alignment and enable text wrapping, which is particularly beneficial for keeping your data neatly contained within your cells. Next, let's dive a bit deeper into column properties. By clicking on the column drop-down menu, you'll find the option to edit the column properties. This is where you customize the kind of data you'll store. Whether it's simple text or numbers, drop-downs for predefined lists, dates, checkboxes, contact lists or symbols, setting the right type ensures data accuracy and consistency across your sheet. Now let's move on to conditional formatting, which can markedly improve both the look and utility of your Smartsheet. Head to the top ribbon and click on conditional formatting. Here you'll create rules that help automatically format your cells based on specific conditions. Begin by clicking on Add New Rule. You'll set a condition, like a particular name, value, or date, and then match it with a formatting style. For instance, if the name John Doe appears in your sheet, you might want the cell to turn blue and bold, drawing immediate attention to it. Once your conditions and formats are set, click Apply to enable these rules, instantly transforming your sheet into a dynamic tool of productivity and visual clarity. As you continue refining your sheet, you may find it helpful to adjust column widths. Simply hover between column headers and drag to resize them until they're proportionate to your data. For enhanced usability, especially in large sheets, right-click a column header and choose the Freeze Column option. This locks the column, keeping it in view even as you scroll. Finally, should you wish to safeguard data integrity in your sheets, remember that admins or owners have the ability to lock rows or columns. This feature is pivotal in preventing unauthorized edits, ensuring your data remains intact and secure. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to formatting your Smartsheet. With these techniques, you'll be able to create not just a functional, but an organized and visually accessible sheet that caters to your specific requirements.